Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss the reduction in 12th SP syllabus. As you know that Maharashtra government has decided to reduce the syllabus by 25% for class 1 to class 12 for the academic year 2020 and 21. So let us start. First, we have to keep in mind that this change is temporary for the current academic year 2020 and 21 only. And the mentioned part of syllabus is for self-study and not for evaluation. No question will be asked on this part in any exam. So what is the reduction in 12th SP syllabus? If we'll go to the first chapter, that is the Introduction to Corporate Finance, the subunit number 1.4, that is Capital Structure, is completely reduced from page number 7 to page number 9. If we will refer the second chapter, that is the Sources of Corporate Finance, the subunit number 2.1.2, Determinants of retained earning, on page number 22, is completely reduced. The subunit number 2.2.6, that is financial institutions, on page number 28 and 29, is also reduced. And subunit number 2.2.7, that is trade credit, on page number 29 and 30, is also reduced from this academic year. It means no any question will be asked on this part of the syllabus. If we will take the third chapter, issue of shares, then subunit number 3.1, classification of share capital, on page number 40 to 42. Subunit number 3.4.2, procedure for allotment of shares, on page number 51 and 52. Subunit number 3.6, calls on shares, on page number 54. Subunit number 3.7, forfeiture of shares, on page number 54. Subunit number 3.8, surrender of shares, on page number 54 to 55, is completely reduced from your syllabus. Now let us talk about chapter number 4, issue of debentures. Subunit number 4.3, that is debenture trustees, is completely reduced from your syllabus. It is on page number 74. If we'll see the chapter number 5, deposits, the subunit number 5.3, procedure for accepting deposits from public, on page number 84 and 85, is reduced from your syllabus. Similarly, the subunit number 5.4, procedure for accepting deposits from members, on page number 85 and 86, is also reduced from the SP syllabus. Now let us talk about chapter number 9, depository system. Subunit number 9.6, functioning of depository system, on page number 133 to 135, is completely reduced. Chapter number 10, dividend and interest, on page number 10. The subunit number 10.5, the topic is modes of payment of dividend, on page number 147, is also reduced. Chapter number 11, financial market, subunit number 11.3.1, some important participants in money market and instruments of money market, from page number 160 to page number 162, is completely reduced from 12th SP syllabus. And the last chapter, that is chapter number 12, stock exchange, subunit number 12.4, important terms related to stock exchange, on page number 173 and 174, is also reduced. Subunit number 12.6, distinction between jobber and broker, on page number 175, is also reduced from your 12th SP syllabus. In this way, almost 25% syllabus is reduced, but keep in mind it is not omitted, it is reduced. So the students, they have to do the self study of these topics because the same topic can be repeated in their higher studies. So ensure that you will do the self study and you will go through this syllabus, but it will not be asked in any exam. No any question will be asked. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you. Take care.